Hello, Trailblazers. Today, we're reaching the pinnacle of our mobile journey. Get ready to roll out the Salesforce app to your users. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped to drive adoption, collect feedback, measure results, and keep the momentum going. Let's dive in. We've got an action-packed agenda today. We'll learn how to drive adoption, gather feedback, measure success, and keep the momentum alive. Are you ready to roll out the Salesforce app? Let's go! Before the big launch, a few crucial steps. Migrate and test your customizations. Control access for a phased rollout. Collect a baseline for success metrics, and engage users on Chatter. Let's ensure a flawless launch. Migrating? Test everything. Control access for a phased rollout. Collect baseline metrics for success. And don't forget to engage your users on Chatter. Now, let's navigate through the pre-launch checklist. All right, superhero admins, it's time to motivate our users. Produce helpful content, market continuously, leverage user-generated content, gamify the mobile experience, and tie it to sales incentives. Let's keep the excitement alive. After the launch, keep the momentum. Release short, engaging content, share success stories on Chatter, host contests, and tie it to sales incentives. Let's explore these strategies to motivate our users. Feedback is key. Utilize Chatter, allow direct input from the app, provide multiple feedback options, and meet regularly with super users. Let's create an environment where user feedback is valued and acted upon. Post-launch, gather user feedback through Chatter, direct input, surveys, forums, and meetings with super users. Let's create a culture where user feedback drives continuous improvement. Now let's measure the impact. Review success metrics, gather employee satisfaction data, create reports and dashboards, and deliver an executive summary. Let's showcase the success of our mobile rollout. Post-launch, review success metrics, gather employee satisfaction data, and create reports to measure adoption and business impact. We'll also discuss delivering an executive summary to your project champion. And finally, keep up the momentum. Prioritize your backlog, revisit it regularly, and stay updated on Salesforce app releases. Let's ensure our mobile success story continues. Trailblazers, you've completed the mobile rollout journey. You're now equipped to drive adoption, collect feedback, measure results, and keep the momentum alive. Keep blazing that trail, and stay tuned for more adventures in the Salesforce universe. Until next time, happy blazing.